Hi, my name's Lee Cunningham. Welcome to HWM Aston Martin here in Walton-on-Thames. We're delighted to show you this beautiful Onyx Black DB11 Coupe. This is just to give you a quick snapshot of the car, give you a sense of all the key features on it and really highlight the specification. It's a really stunning car, really in good condition. It's covered 14,850 miles from new, but we're just going to show you some of the external features and then move into the interior of the car, and like I said, really just give you a sense and a feel of this unique DB11 Coupe. Okay, just some of the key features on this car. We've got the slatted silver grille on the front. That's complemented by the satin black lower package, which includes the front splitter, the side skirts. The real thing that sets this car off, I think, with the whole black theme and the silver contrasting, is the 10-spoke directional diamond cut alloy wheels. And obviously that kind of subtle kind of silver part of the car is complemented at the rear of the car with the silver tailpipes as well, which are a chrome finish. So that theme then transcends into the interior of the car as well. So I think it's a really kind of, like I say, subtle under the radar kind of specification. Really suits the DB11 Coupe. So it's a really nice kind of intro into this kind of car in terms of its theme, its feel throughout. We'll move into the interior in a second to really give you an understanding of how the transition from the exterior contrast moves into the interior. So we moved into the interior of the car, and as I touched on before, what's really cool about the whole specification is you've got this black and silver theme on the external part of the car that really transcends into the cabin space, which I think is really nice. There's no really kind of different colours or different materials, so it's really got this, like I said, synergy throughout the whole specification. Key elements of the interior is the piano black finish, which is obviously on the door cards and in the centre console. It's highlighted by the broad silver stitching, which is themed throughout the car. You've got the perforated seats, the silver kick plates on the doors, and the satin silver jewellery pack, which is obviously, again, goes throughout the cabin. You've got the satin silver paddle shift levers behind the steering wheel, and like I said, the whole theme is just a very, very subtle, really nice, calm kind of feeling into the car. You've got this lovely headline as well, Alcantara headlining, but it's just in really strong condition. It's virtually brand new in terms of its feel, its smell. Also, you've got the Aston Martin wings embroidered on the headrest. So, like I said, it's a really nice, straightforward but very simply specified car. And like I said, it's got a lovely kind of sense of occasion to it, and it's a really classy Aston Martin, really. So, if you're interested in the car, it's on our website now and available for viewing here at HWM in Walton-on-Thames.